It is important to keep the cooling water temperature of the cylinder jacket within proper range of the temperature in order to maintain the engine performance. In daily maintenance, check that the cooling water temperature of the cylinder jacket is within the specified range that you are watching in the video. If the temperature is out of the proper range, newly overhaul the cooling water thermostatic valve once at around every 2,000 to 2,500 hour intervals. Close the respective valves of inlet and outlet of the cooling system and discharge the water of the cylinder jacket. To remove the thermostat, first detach the local control panel. Remove the bolt and nut. Then remove the thermostat assembly. First, disassemble the thermostat case. Next, remove the element from the thermostat case. Check the removed thermostat for cracks on the valve, spring damage, and foreign matters on the sheet. Soak the thermostat in the cooling water and hot water for a few minutes. Measure the valve lift and check that the value is within the specified one that you are watching in this video. Replace parts that fail to meet specified values. Replace the O-rings and remount the parts in the reverse order to removing them.